Good morning, dear students. Welcome again to the online class. Today we'll discuss the new topic, of this chapter, sound. Characteristics of sound are why sounds differ. In last class we have discussed about some problems, numerical problems based on the echo and frequency, repetition of sound, laws of reflection. Anytime you feel that, students, experience that, what? Different sounds, no? Every body or different body or objects produce different sound. Like this, see? Different sound. Okay? When you plug this rubber band, produce different sound. Okay? Sound of a man, different from the sound of woman. Sound of a boy, different from sound of a girl. Okay, sound of a little kids is different from the sound of a young one, adult one. Anytime have you observed this one? Yeah. आपने सुना है कहीं बच्चे की साउंड होता है तो कैसा होता है, बड़े लोग बोलते हैं तो कैसा साउंड निकलता है. एक बॉय की आवाज, साउंड ऑफ ए बॉय एंड साउंड ऑफ ए गर्ल, both are always different, not same, never same. Did you observe this one? Yeah. So this is the called characteristics of sound. This can be characterized by the two key features: pitch and loudness. Loudness, first thing one, students. Loudness, and second one, pitch. Pitch and loudness. So these two characteristics of sound, loudness and pitch, distinguishing between the different sound. These are the two characteristics which differentiate between the different sound producing by the different object. बच्चे की आवाज सुनिए आप, कैसे हंसता है, कैसा रोता है, और एक एडल्ट की आवाज सुनिए. Sound of a dog, sound of a cat. Suppose we compare the sound of different musical instruments, sound of a violin, sound of a drum, sound of a sitar is different from the sound of a guitar, sound of a mridangam, xylophone, and more, trumpet, French horn. These different piano, these different musical instruments produce the different sounds. Why? Because they have different pitch. Their pitch are different, either their loudness. So what is the pitch and the loudness? These two major characteristics of the sound. On the basis of that, we can say that different sounds. Why sounds are different? Our sounds are producing different way by the different body. Is it clear? The first thing, loudness. Loudness is what? Loudness basically, it is the characteristic of a sound which distinguishes or differentiate between a feeble sound and a soft sound. Either a feeble sound and feeble or soft sound from a loud sound. तेज आवाज, धीमी आवाज. We can already discuss about the graph of the sound. Sound wave we can draw like this. The sound wave. This is the called amplitude. What man? Amplitude. Amplitude. Amplitude of the sound wave. Amplitude of the sound wave. So loudness depends upon this amplitude. Loudness is the main characteristics of the sound wave, that is depend upon the what? Amplitude. Amplitude, you know? Anyone? Yeah. Maximum distance of the vibrating body from its mean position. Maximum distance of a vibrating body from its mean position. That is called amplitude. This distance is called amplitude. So loudness depend upon the amplitude. Sometimes we are telling to other one ना, तो क्या बोलते हैं, भाई जरा आवाज तेज कर दो, just increase the volume. So what happened at that time? when anybody going to increase the volume by using their volume key of that particular musical instruments, क्या होता है? तो जब वो वॉल्यूम बढ़ाते हैं, वॉल्यूम व्हाट विल, their loudness will increase, amplitude will increase. It means what? Suppose this is a normal sound. Suppose the normal sound, this is the. It means what? Amplitude is very less. It means slow hours, feeble, soft sound. And when you say to anyone, sir, please increase the volume. Increase the volume. So what happened? It means when you are going to increase the volume, what? Amplitude will increase. It means loudness increase. Then I told you now, loudness depend upon the what? Amplitude. So ये जो height है, maximum displacement from mean position, it will increase. It will increase when you increase the volume. Increase the volume. Is it clear? So किसी की आवाज पतली होती है, feeble sound, soft sound. किसी की आवाज मोटी होती है, like sound of a drum, different, okay, and same as sound of a violin. Is it clear? Sound of a violin. So here, when we are going to increase the volume, it means what? The loudness increase, amplitude increase. Is it clear? This is also called, this high and this maximum depth position, crest and trough. Crest and trough means compression and rare fraction. Some more factors which determine the loudness of the sound that we discuss later. See. So here loudness, it is a characteristic of sound which differentiate or distinguish between the feeble soft sound from loud sound. तेज आवाज और धीमी आवाज, तेज आवाज और धीमी आवाज. This is the main characteristics which is distinguished by the sound, that is loudness. So loudness depend upon, first thing, depend upon the area of vibrating body. Area of vibrating body. What is the area? See, in case of this, suppose if it vibrate, it will make this type of wave. जब कोई यार बॉडी क्या होगी, वाइब्रेट करेगी, तो इस तरह वेव बनेगा. सो दिस एरिया ऑफ द वाइब्रेटिंग बॉडी, दिस द एरिया ना मेड बाय द एम्पलीट्यूड ना, दिस एरिया एंड सी हियर दिस एरिया, व्हिच वन मोर, दिस एरिया एंड दिस एरिया, दिस एंड दिस एरिया. यहाँ पे इसके एरिया देखिए, ये एरिया देखिए, ये एंड ये. सो एरिया ऑफ द वाइब्रेटिंग बॉडी, इट मींस द एरिया ऑफ द लाउडनेस और एम्पलीट्यूड व्हिच वन मैक्सिमम. This is not. So this is loud sound. This is the loud sound, and this is compared to this feeble sound, soft sound. Feeble or soft sound. Either. One more thing. Just take a drum, big drum, and just strike with a what? Any hammer, and take a small drum. You will hear the different sound by striking with hammer on both drum. श्योर है, जब स्ट्राइक करेंगे तो दोनों से अलग अलग आवाज प्रोड्यूस होगी. इज इट क्लियर? सो सेकेंड थिंग, फर्स्ट साउंड डिपेंड अपॉन द एरिया ऑफ द वाइब्रेटिंग बॉडी. सेकेंड थिंग, एम्पलीट्यूड और लाउडनेस आल्सो डिपेंड अपॉन द व्हाट? एनर्जी कैरियर. डिपेंड अपॉन द एनर्जी. दिस एनर्जी इज आल्सो कॉल्ड ना, साउंड इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एनर्जी ना, साउंड इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एनर्जी. सो दिस इज energy, showing the energy level, height of energy. So here is the energy strength. Means overall you can say that amplitude. Now next one, loudness also depend upon the distance between the source of the sound and observer. Loudness. So this is source and this is observer. यहाँ से कोई आदमी अगर बोल रहा है, so क्या, अगर डिस्टेंस कम होगी, so the observer are able to hear the loud sound. Suppose I am standing here, you are sitting there, so you can hear my voice very clearly and loud voice. But I am standing here, you are standing in the ground, and here I am telling something, you are not able to hear my sound, either you are not hearing my sound clearly. It means what? Distance also main factor. If distance will increase, okay, loudness will increase. Means loudness of the sound just inversely proportional to distance. Distance between the source and observer. Source and observer. मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, आप क्लास में बैठे हैं, आपका आवाज क्लियर सुनाई देगी. मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, बोल रहा हूँ, आप फील्ड में खड़े जाइए. यू आर एबल? नो, यू कॉन्ट ना, आप सुन नहीं सकते हैं. वाई? डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज. सो डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज, सो लाउडनेस डिक्रीज. आप बोलेंगे उसी सब उसी कैपेबिलिटी से, बट the sound energy will travel na, so it will travel the more distance. So your when it will reach to your ear, you are not near the clear voice. Is it clear? So depend upon the distance. Third thing also, it depend upon the energy. Already I told you, depend upon the what? Energy. So loudness also depend upon the two factors, three factors: energy, area of the vibrating body, energy and distance. So this is the characteristic of loudness, and second characteristic is what? That is the pitch. That is the pitch. Some key factors here given regarding loudness. Loudness increase with the what? Amplitude of the vibrating body. Amplitude was, this is the amplitude. Distance covered by the vibrating body, either one side, minimum from the main position. Second thing, loudness increases with the increase in surface area of the vibrating body. This area, I told you na, this area is maximum, the loudness is more. Third thing, loudness decreases with increase in distance, as I told you. So the three main factor which determine the loudness of the body. Okay, students. Next is what? Main factor what? Pitch. Pitch is also a characteristic of a body which depend upon the frequency, and also it distinguishes between the what? Slow means high pitch and low pitch. Shrill and flat sound. Patli and moti आवाज. Shrill and flat sound. Shrill and flat sound. Loudness distinguish between the feeble soft sound from loud sound. तेज and धीमी आवाज. यहाँ पे क्या है? Pitch differentiate distinguish between the shrill and flat, moti and patli आवाज. Is it clear? So that we'll discuss later in the next class in detail. What factors affecting the pitch of the sound? Okay, and what is this particular characteristics of the sound? That is the pitch. Okay, friends. So go through this video and try to understand the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.